everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this origami grasshopper, and this is a difficult model, so if you have a little bit of experience in origami, this model will be very good for you to do. So what you're going to start with is white side up. You're going to fold the edges to the opposite edge. You're going to do this to both edges. And so what you're doing is you're forming the bird base. Then you're going to flip this over to colored side. You're going to fold corner to corner. So you're going to be forming diagonal creases. And you're going to want to do that to both corners. And then you're going to start with a preliminary base. And this is going to be formed by bringing these two side corners and the top corner all down to that bottom corner. That's what's called a preliminary base. Now you're going to fold both of these edges to the center vertical crease, just like that. Both of those edges, just like that. Then you're going to fold the top corner down and unfold that. Now you're going to unfold those creases. And you're going to take this top corner, and you're going to fold that up using the creases made in the previous step. You're going to do that, and then you're going to take the sides and fold the two sides in. And you're going to flip it over, and you're going to do the same thing. Bring the two sides into the center crease, just like that. Then take the top corner, fold it down, open it up, take the top flap and open that. And then you get what's called a bird base. It's a very common base in origami. It's a very simple one too. Okay, so now that you got that done, you want to make sure that you have this corner facing upwards, and so you start like this, and you want to fold that top flap down, and then you want to take these these edges and fold them into the center, and then you're going to unfold them just like that. Now you're going to fold these down just like that. Just like that. Do that on both sides. And unfold that. Then you're going to take this corner, or this edge, and fold it over. And you're going to take this edge of your model and fold it to the center vertical crease. Like that. And you're going to take this and you're going to open up these flaps just like that, and you're going to try to, when you fold it over, you're going to try to puff this up just like that. You want to puff that up so that you have a straight line at the bottom, just like that. Actually, yeah, so you want to, let me show you that again. So you want to take this, and you want to fold that over, and you want to take it right here and puff it up, just like that, and then fold it over, so you get this shape. And then you are going to do the same thing. So you're going to fold that over, you're going to fold this edge in. Then when you fold this edge into the center, you're going to open up that flap, just like that. this up and puff it up, just like that, and then fold it over, just like that. So you have that shape. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it up, and then down, and then up, and then down, and then up, and then down, just like that. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to fold it in half, just like that. Okay, just like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it down like that, and then you're going to fold it back up and then back down to the side. Then you're going to turn it over and you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to start by folding it down like that, then up, and then back down there, just like that. And that'll form the legs, the two legs. Then you are going to take this part of your model, and you're going to open it and fold it upwards, just like that. Just like that. Then you are going to fold the part of the head downwards, just like that. Now you're going to fold that part down and pull the tail up a little bit. And that's how you make an origami grasshopper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you might want to check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!